We are back in Cape Coral at 866 Southwest 18th Street here in Cape Coral, Florida. We're going to tour a brand new construction, 3-bedroom and a den, 2-bath pool home on the Freshwater Canal. Are you guys looking for a beautiful, modern, new construction pool home on a canal here in Cape Coral, Florida? This home right here at 866 Southwest 18th Street might be exactly what you guys are looking for. This modern, new construction, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath pool home was built in 2025. It's got a 3-car garage, a den, 2,100 square feet living area, beautiful swimming pool right on the Freshwater Canal, and it's sitting here waiting for you. So if you guys are interested in looking in Cape Coral, give me a call. My number is 239-425-5255. And let's get your home tour started now. Check out this gray paver driveway leading up to this garage area. Show you this modern facade here on the front. We've got recessed lighting and modern light fixtures on the side of the garage. We got these very tall garage doors. Put in a lot of trees here. You got 2 Sylvester palms and 3 foxtail palms in the front. As we walk up the walkway here to the front entry, show you the decorative Stamp Creek curbing they put in to accent the gray pavers. Hurricane impact doors and windows here. Let's give you a quick look at the neighborhood. This is a great neighborhood close to Trafalgar Middle School, Trafalgar Elementary School, Patriot Elementary School. Cape Coral Sports Complex. I can't wait to show you guys inside this beautiful home. Take a look at this polished porcelain tile. Opens up here to the living area. The custom ceiling on this large ceiling fan. Waterfall edge on the kitchen island with a quartz countertop. Big rectangular wash sink. This looks like a farm sink here. Dovetail joints, soft close hinges. You got the shaker style cabinets with these long black, might be bronze, dark bronze or black handles for the hardware. Take a look at these pendant lights from this floating ceiling here. Looks like you've got a 2-tier cabinet system here with upper cabinets. Got GE appliance package. The black smooth subway tile here for the backsplash. So we got the black-white facade here. Sure, cooktop. Take a look at the dining area and the living room area. Your eyes are drawn to this fireplace. with this acoustic soundboard accent behind where your TV is going to be mounted. You got these glass shelving with LED lighting and another little shelf area here. So crown molding around the tray ceiling with this huge fan. And then right offset of the living area, you've got this den area with the barn door style doors leading into this entry. Tall ceilings with the tray ceiling here. And even they put quartz for your windowsills and big baseboard here. See how these doors look closed. Eight-foot barn-style doors with a rolling track across the top. And let's look here at the front entry. You got this modern light fixture hanging down with this big accent that goes all the way up. I don't know if I showed you guys this when I came in. You've got a big dining area here cut out with door access to the lanai. Let's take a look at the view here. View here of the Freshwater Canal, just behind the rectangular pool with the big gray and white paver deck. All right, let's come back through the kitchen and show you the big Butler pantry for the laundry. So you got stackable washer dryer here, the big workstation and a wash sink with 42-inch upper cabinets dressed with crown molding. You've got that acoustic slatted board here behind you for your backsplash. Eight-foot interior 5-panel doors. 8-foot interior 5-panel riverside doors with bronze doorknobs and locks. Let's take a look here in the garage. We've got these 8 feet tall garage doors with a 2-tone epoxy floor here in the garage. You got a water heater here and your 5-ton AC system. I think it's 5-ton, might be 4, I'm not sure. And then a 40-gallon hot water heater. 50-gallon hot water heater. Let's take a look out here real quick at your air conditioner and a Ream AC unit with the Rainbird sprinkler irrigation system. All right, back through the modern kitchen. There's just a lot of shelving here, a lot of storage. Got a pantry here. Got the pool bath with these modern smart mirrors. Undermounted rectangular sinks. White shaker style cabinets with the same bronze hardware. And then here's the water. You got shower tile from the floor to the ceiling with one rectangular niche. You got bedroom number 2 over here with a southern facing exposure. So you're gonna get the sun on the back of the house over the pool all day long. See if we can show you the porcelain tile floors. The 8-foot interior doors, ceiling fans, and then each bedroom has custom built-in closets. You got a linen closet here. It's a wide door for your closet. Bedroom number 3. Feels like it's about 12 by 11, maybe 12 by 12. You've got aluminum framed windows throughout this home. Impact rated doors and windows. Again, you've got custom built-ins here in every closet. And I can't wait to show you the closet in the owner's suite. I think you're gonna like that. Got custom ceiling here, tray ceiling, with the walkout to the summer kitchen, adjacent to the swimming pool. Big transom window here, lets in a lot of extra light. It's a large bedroom, get plenty of furniture in here if you got large furniture. And then you got a pocket slider door here into the closet. Let's take a look at this big closet. You got shelving over on this side. And then more shelving on this side. You can put all your handbags here. Shoes, handbags, whatever. And then just outside of this big closet area, you've got this soaking tub with the dark porcelain polished tile. It's nice. Accent lighting behind the mirrors. Bounce, you go, wow, wow. You've got shaker style cabinets, undermounted sinks. So the whole bathroom's tiled from the floor to the ceiling. So you get a nice reflection off these purple lights. And you can change the light colors. So back around here, you've got this big soaking tub. And steps down here to the shower. The double niche, double shower heads. Show you the bathroom with the accent wall behind the commode. And let's go take a look at this summer kitchen. Plug your ears, I'll mute it out in the video, but these alarms are for child safety. All right. Coming out here, you've got this big summer kitchen with bar top overlooking the pool and overlooking the Freshwater Canal. You got the Duro stainless steel grill, and you've got the wine chiller refrigerator with the vented hood here just outside the big polished. Smooth, polished porcelain tile backsplash. GFCI protected outlets with, I think this one has a rotisserie in it. Maybe not. It might have the rotisserie in it. So, then you've got this under Lanai area with grayish white paver. Grayish white paver patio. Extra room here for entertaining. You've got the mansard style aluminum pool enclosure with the bronze aluminum. You've got 7-inch structural super gutter supporting it with normal chair rail height here. Let's go take a look at your pool equipment, take a quick stroll down the canal, see what kind of wildlife we have there today. Looks like you've got a Jandy automation system here. Looks like a chlorine pool. Variable speed Jandy pump. And a big breaker box there that controls you got plenty of room if you got to put a boat dock down here if you want. Floratam lawn. There's your sprinkler control valves. See if we got any otters down here today. Brand new seawall here. got the pocketing sliders here. That's going to do it for this beautiful new construction Cape Coral waterfront pool home tour right here in Southwest Cape Coral, Florida. If you or anyone you know is looking to buy, sell, or invest in Cape Coral, Florida, I'm your guy, Joshua Painter from Remax Trend and the Cape Coral Home Group. You can get a hold of me at 239-425-5255. Ask me any questions about Cape Coral that you want to know, and I'll give you a straight answer. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next home tour.